So if I go for any plot buying for my friend asked me, "Arey, can you please come with me? So I want to buy a apartment flat like." The marketing person is going to tell dot like I'm always just simply and I heard lakhs of times this type of things. Okay, shall we talk? Because I'm already, I have my own ventures are there. I know all these. I have my own marketing team is there. I heard all these things lakhs of times. Shall we discuss openly? Simple. Shall we discuss openly? Then immediately the terminology by default is going to be changed also. Okay, remember. So that's a traps. The people are always going to trap. Okay, influence. They are trying to influence us. Okay, like even your friends also. Yesterday I showed right. I told right. One example. Father already spot dead. Mother is in hospital. He shared the photos also. He collected 18 lakhs. And later, this person, his friend went to his house. His parents are there happily, fully healthy parents are there. Urgency, scarcity, urgency. Like we are not having the time to think also. If they are pressuring us means something fishy is there. Listen careful. Getting right? Okay. So always pass knowledge, get the information, get the facts. And once you are getting the clarity, then you can take the decision. Financial decisions. Don't take hurry.